Hi, my name is Jared Pike, and I serve in media services here at Southeastern. Our goal in media services is to serve and equip the faculty of Southeastern by seeking to increase your familiarity with classroom technology. We do this so that you can focus more readily on your students and not. Today we will briefly be covering how to use the smart podiums found in the classrooms. Logging into the computer and taking the stylus in hand, you will notice a tab on the side of the screen. After opening a program, you'll notice a similar tab at the top of the window. Both of these can be moved by pressing on the grid button here. From either menu, you can change the stylus to a cursor, pen, highlighter, or eraser. You will also notice the same buttons appear on the monitor itself. On this model, you can see that buttons light up when selected. We'll begin by opening a picture, then switching from the cursor to the pen tool. Now I can write on the window. We can adjust color and size of the ink. The digital ink that you write on the window stays with the window as long as you want it to. So if I move around the file, the ink stays the same. I can minimize the window and restore it. The digital ink is an overlay on the window that separates it from the document. When I turn Smart Ink off, you can see that it disappears. And when I turn it back on, the ink comes back. The Smart Ink toolbar shows green when it's active and gray when inactive. Smart Ink works with applications like Word, PowerPoint, Excel. But because most of these applications have their own drawing tools, Smart Ink is turned off by default. So if I bring up a Word document, you can see that Smart Ink is already off. The overlay feature also explains why when I open a PDF in Adobe Reader and make notes on it, the notes don't move with the document when I scroll. So how can you make notes that stay with the documents? This leads us to Smart Ink Document Viewer. Let's go ahead and minimize Adobe Reader and bring up that same file in Smart Ink. You can see Smart Ink on the desktop with the gray logo. With Smart Ink Document Viewer, we can open the same PDF and make notes on the document itself. The program allows you to save these changes either to the original or as a new PDF. You can then make these notes available to your students through Moodle. This will be what your students see on the Panopto screen capture. Writing on the Smart Podium can be a great alternative to writing on the whiteboard. So today we've become familiar with the Smart Ink toolbar, how Smart Ink works with other programs, and how the Smart Ink Document Viewer works. If you have any other questions about this or other classroom technology, please call Media Services at extension 2240 or send us an email at mediaservices@sebits.edu.